Hello, everybody. Happy Sunday and happy Father's Day to everybody celebrating today. I decided I wanted to pop in. I've been wanting to do this video since I received this lovely kit on my doorstep on Thursday, but I just haven't had the time until now. So I figured I went outside this morning. I enjoyed some beautiful sunshine, did some gardening, watered, weeded, all that good stuff. And now I'm in my craft room and decided that I wanted to jump on here live to show you guys the paper pumpkin kits that I've been so excited about lately, and I really just wanted to share with you all. So, oh, give me a sec here. Okay, all right. So, paper pumpkin kit, here's the usual box that it comes in, delivered right to your door every single month that you're subscribed. It's only $30 a month, and that includes shipping. Of course, there's tax on top of that, but it's delivered anywhere in Canada if you order through me. And as a perk for being a Paper Pumpkin subscriber with me as your demonstrator, every month I will email you a free PDF with some alternative projects for you. So you can do what's included in the kit, or you could do the alternatives, or you could come up with your own. It's totally up to you. But these kits have really been awesome. Paper Pumpkin and Stampin' Up! Have really stepped up their game, and these have been so exciting to receive every single month. So I did want to pop on today and show you what was delivered to my doorstep on Thursday. So let me flip the camera down and leave me a comment, say hello, thumbs up, hearts. I'd love to see them all. Whether you're watching this along with me right now live or you're going to watch the replay afterwards. Either way, I love to read the comments and see your reactions. So let me flip down to the desk view here on my tutorial, and I'm going to show you Paper Pumpkin for June. Now look at this gorgeous box. So every once in a while, for an extra treat, Stampin' Up! Releases this gorgeous box that the kit will come in. So for June, here we are, and I love it. Pink's my favorite color, so when I saw this, I was so excited. The name of the kit is always found on the side of the box. So this one is Expressions in Color, June 2021. Now, if we open up this box, we've got all kinds of goodies in here. So the first thing it shows us is a little pamphlet, and it tells you that this kit coordinates with the Expressions in Ink paper pack. You can scan this little code and take a sneak peek at this paper if you haven't already seen it, because it is gorgeous. So it's currently sold out, but it will be available real soon, and it is actually really, really pretty paper. All right, so now we go back to our pumpkin box here, and we've got a stamp set. So every month it comes with an exclusive stamp set that you can't get anywhere else. So here we are. We've got You Are Amazing, Thanks, For Everything, Congratulations, Sending Hugs, and a many. And then we've got these beautiful flowers, some leaves, and this is going to look like an alcohol ink splotch. So I love that. That is really hot right now. Okay, so this month the kit comes with 2 Stampin' Spots. Normally your kit would come with 1, but this month for a bonus we got Bumblebee and Evening Evergreen. So both in colors, one from the last year colors and one from the current this year new colors. Both are in the catalog. So we've got those. Now let me see. I haven't even opened this yet, you guys, so I'm sharing this with you for the first time. So they're always wrapped in tissue to make you feel like you're unveiling an awesome gift, which you are. All right, so here we have our kit. Now I'm going to remove the kit, get rid of the box, and here we are. So let me take this shrink wrap off here, and let's see what's inside. It's like Christmas morning once a month. It's awesome. Okay, so here we are. Now if we flip this over, so I'm just going to lift up this cardboard backing, and in the back there's going to be a color pamphlet. So here shows us the instructions, and here a picture of all of the cards. Now aren't those gorgeous? I think my favorite one is this yellow one in the middle here. This one's Thanks for Everything. Some beautiful vellum it looks like. Now what's really nice is that this has full color step-by-step instructions. So again, that's something that Paper Pumpkin has just recently started, is coming back with the full color, full step-by-step instructions for their kits. And on the back, there's always some alternative projects, some ideas, and a display of all the goodies that are inside this little kit. Okay, so let's see. We've got some beautiful sequins, evening evergreen twine, and dimensional. So these kits, all you're going to need is a Stampin' Block and possibly some adhesive if you prefer, but they do supply, as you can see, little adhesive dots and the dimensionals. So really all you need is a block for your stamp. And the first time you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, it comes with a block included for you. So really you need to add nothing, just some time, some relaxation, and get ready to be creative. So we've got envelopes. It looks like we've got some white envelopes in 2 different sizes here. Okay. And I'm just going to count them quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 9 envelopes in total, 6 larger ones and 3 small ones. We've got some beautiful, it looks like alcohol ink background papers in evening evergreen. Some banners. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful that vellum is. Can you see that? That is gorgeous. Now we have some cards as well. And these ones are the pink and the purple that match that box that we got. And again, looks like the alcohol ink technique done on the background. Already done for you. So the beautiful look and none of the mess. So that's pretty cool. Now these look like laser cut dies. So you can see on the back, they're totally cut through for you. So these would just pop right out very easily. So there's some in green, pink, and purple. And there's 1, 2, 3 sheets of those. So that's pretty awesome. These look like card bases. So these would be for the small envelopes. And these are evening evergreen cards. So 1, 2, 3 of them. Oh, look at these. These are fun. So these are some white labels with evening evergreen borders on them. So you would use these to stamp some of your sentiments in. Those are really cool. And then we have some bumblebee cards. 1, 2, 3 of those. Okay. Now, oh, look at this. Some more vellum, again, laser cut. So we've got thanks. And what's really nice about Paper Pumpkin is it comes in multi languages. So we've got 3 different languages here for the word thanks. And we've got this gorgeous flower, also in vellum. And there looks to be 3 sheets of those. So that's our Paper Pumpkin kit. Now I'm excited to start crafting with this. I just really wanted to share it with you guys so you could see what Paper Pumpkin is all about. I have been absolutely loving these kits, and I know that you would too, whether you're an avid stamper or a beginner. These kits are phenomenal. And for the beginner ones, it's a great way to start because it comes with everything you need, and you can create all of these cards in half an hour to an hour very easily. For avid crafters, it's a great base, and you can start with them. You can leave them as is. You can add from your craft stash, and there really is a lot of fun to create these cards every single month. And who doesn't love a surprise, right? That to me is super exciting. We get little hints every month ahead of time, but we don't know exactly what the kit is going to entail. So when I get it every month, it's super exciting. And it was really hard for me not to open it on Friday. So it arrived on Friday, not Thursday. When it arrived on Friday, it was really hard not to open it, but I really did want to unveil it in front of you all so you could see exactly what's included. If you'd like to join Paper Pumpkin, like I said, if you subscribe under me, I will mail you a free PDF every single month that you're a subscriber of alternative projects, okay? And those projects will be posted on my blog every month with pictures, but not the instructions. The instructions will be exclusive to those Paper Pumpkin subscribers. So thank you all for being here. If you have any questions at all, or if you'd like to subscribe, please comment below. Otherwise, I will post a link in the comment section on how you can subscribe to get the next month's kit, which is going to be absolutely amazing. I cannot wait. It's an adventure themed one, which is going to be super fun and awesome for this time of year. It's full of inspirational sayings, it says, and enough to make 12 cards, which is awesome. So I will post the link to join. If you'd like to get next month's kit, you have to subscribe by the 10th of July. So you do have time, but I suggest you get on it so we don't forget, because summer's here and we all get really, really busy. So again, it's $30 a month. Shipping's included. You just pay the tax on top of that for whatever province you're from. And it's super easy and it comes right to your doorstep. So thanks, everybody. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Thanks for watching if you're alive. Thanks for watching the replay. I'd love to see your comments. And leave me your thoughts on what you think of Paper Pumpkin and what I've shown you today, or if you already are receiving the kit, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. So, like I said, I feel like they have really knocked it out of the park. The kits are getting better and better every month, and I really, truly, from the bottom of my heart, enjoy getting them every month. So, thanks everybody for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Father's Day, and have a fabulous week. Cheers, everyone.